I'm going to show you how you can avoid scammers. Plain and simple, we'll get right to the point. I feel as an obligation for one of the few real traders in this industry that always shares the good, the bad, and the ugly, I feel like I've got an obligation to actually share how you can avoid scammers in the industry. I've been seeing a lot of stuff on social media recently, and I thought I would put together, a short video explaining how you guys can actually do so. So, number one, and this is what actually prompted me to make this video, is one of the biggest scams in the industry is people online, these big influencers, they call themselves great traders. They don't make any money trading, let's just say that. They say to guys online, give me money, I'll trade for you. And then afterwards, a week or so, you don't hear anything from them. They're flexing their big profits online. You go and ask them where your money is, they say they've lost it. No actual trading was being done. That money that they're using is being bought into renting these cars, living this flashy lifestyle to go and lure more people into giving them money to so-called trade. No screenshots, no broker statements, nothing. They just tell you your money's gone, tough tacky, move on. And if you just think of it like this, if every person, gives, 10,000 Rand and they get 100 people, that's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. It's going to be $1 million. So, avoid this. They don't have FSCA regulations to actually trade for other people. It's highly illegal and it's just a red flag entirely. I've just seen it so many times online where people are saying, yes, I'll trade your money. They're flexing, buying their new Ferrari or McLaren, whatever it is, but no trading is actually being done. And they just take your money and use it on themselves. Number two is selling signals and giving financial advice without actually having a license. I don't know if you know this, but in South Africa, you actually have to have, Cat 2 licensing, FSCA legal licensing to actually be able to give advice. You can't just be telling people when to buy and sell and guaranteeing them profit. People fall into this trap because they don't want to learn the skill themselves. I've been trading for 8 years. I've been doing this since, I had hair when I started this, and I don't have any now. So you can imagine how much time and effort and stress I've put into learning the craft of actually being able to make money for myself trading. People get lured into this, guaranteed premium signals or guaranteed profit alerts because everyone wants quick money. If it worked, everyone would be doing it, right? So people get lured into it because they don't want to put the work in themselves, and they get lured into these charlatans, con artists that guarantee them selling signals are going to work. It doesn't work. If someone was making money by taking signals, it might work for a week. It's not going to work long term. If it was so easy, everyone would do it. Just think, use your brain. Just think. It's a lot easier, when you just look at it from an outside point of view. I'm here telling you that stuff does not work. Okay, another scam that guys like to use online is selling of robots that print money. It's complete garbage. Again, if it worked, everyone would be doing it. Nothing wins all the time. So if someone's selling you a robot that wins 99% of the time or 100% of the time, or works while you sleep, grows accounts daily, never loses, it's all just marketing. Stay away from this type of stuff. There's a lot of these times these robots are martingale strategies. What that means is every single time a market goes down, it will buy. It will go down more and it will buy again. It will double the risk. Eventually until your money is gone and, they're getting a kickback from an unregulated broker as well. Another scam is unregulated brokers. So these influencers own brokers that they can manipulate their trades on the back end to say, come trade with my broker. It's a great broker, fast withdrawals and that. All of a sudden, the broker goes out of business and your money's stuck with that broker. And there's no way that you can legally get it back because it's unregulated. It's like me opening up a broker, saying, come trade with my broker. I'll walk away and take all of the money that was deposited in there. That's what they do. So stay away from unregulated brokers. Easy Google searches will find regulated brokers. I've got some in my link tree in bio that I like to use that are regulated. So stick to regulated brokers. Another one that these guys get into is how they kind of get, guys that are, buying into this lifestyle is faking the high life. They'll be trading demo accounts, $100 to $10,000. It's not doable. Okay, use your brain again. Just think. It's all fake. It's manipulated for you to come and buy their robots, buy their signals, and eventually you end up with nothing. And they end up with everything. So I thought on my part, I needed to put this out there for you guys, because I've just, a couple of friends of mine have been asking and been getting scammed by these type of guys. Trading takes time. I've been doing this for 8 years, as I said. It takes skill, it takes time, discipline, and consistency. There's no shortcuts. There's no magic robots. There's no magic courses. There's no magic strategy that's going to win 100% of the time. It comes down to time and effort. This is the reason why a lot of people fail at trading. If you want to become a doctor, you got to study for 8 years. You want to become an accountant, study for 6 years, whatever it is. You want to become a trader, start tomorrow. And if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. This game takes a lot of work, time, patience, emotional discipline, and consistency. You can make a lot of money trading, but it, like every single other career, it takes time and effort. So I thought I'd put that in there. If you want to come trade live with me, a real trader that does it every single day live on stream, link is in my bio. And I hope that this video sheds light into what you guys have been asking me. Cheers. We'll see you in the next one. Leave some comments below if you appreciate the honesty, and we'll see you for the next video.